Ever wondered if you really need a separate crypto wallet when you're using a platform like Uphold? It's a common question, especially as more people dip their toes into the world of digital assets. We hear a lot about self-custody and controlling your own keys, but what does that mean in practice for an exchange that also offers wallet-like features? Let's unravel this for Uphold users and those considering joining. First off, let's clarify what Uphold is. Uphold isn't just a basic crypto exchange. It's a multi-asset digital money platform. This means you can trade a wide range of assets, not just cryptocurrencies, but also fiat currencies and even precious metals, all from a single interface. Think of it as a financial hub where you can diversify your digital portfolio. Crucially, Uphold does provide a built-in digital wallet for all the assets you hold on the platform. When you sign up and deposit funds, those assets are held within your Uphold account, which functions as a custodial wallet. This means Uphold manages the private keys associated with your funds. For many, this offers a significant advantage: simplicity and ease of use. You don't have to worry about managing complex private keys or seed phrases, which can be daunting for newcomers and even experienced users. Uphold handles the technical heavy lifting of securing your assets. Because Uphold operates as a custodial platform, they hold the private keys for your assets. This is different from a non-custodial wallet where you are solely responsible for your private keys and, by extension, your funds. While Uphold maintains control over the private keys, they've implemented various security measures to protect your assets. They use layered defenses, sophisticated encryption, 24/7 monitoring, third-party security audits, and two-factor authentication, 2FA. They also boast being 100% reserved, meaning they hold customer assets in full, and even publish their assets and liabilities in real time for transparency. For those who prioritize having absolute control over their keys, Uphold also offers a feature called Uphold Vault. This is an assisted self-custodial wallet that gives you more control over your private keys with a multi-signature setup. You hold two of the keys, while Uphold holds a third, and two keys are always required to move assets. This provides a hybrid solution, offering enhanced security while still having Uphold's assistance if you lose a key. So, back to the core question: do you need a separate crypto wallet with Uphold? The direct answer is no. You don't necessarily need one for basic trading and holding on the platform. Uphold's built-in wallet functionality is designed to be comprehensive. You can buy, sell, trade, and even send supported cryptocurrencies to other Uphold users or external crypto addresses directly from your Uphold account. However, there are situations where a separate, non-custodial wallet might be beneficial. For maximum security and self-custody, if you truly want to be the sole controller of your crypto and remove any third-party risk, a hardware wallet, cold storage, or a self-custodial software wallet is the way to go for long-term holding of significant amounts. For interacting with DeFi and dApps, many decentralized applications, dApps, and DeFi protocols require a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask to connect and interact directly with the blockchain. If you plan on exploring these areas, a separate wallet is essential. For specific cryptocurrencies not supported by Uphold, while Uphold supports a wide range of assets, there might be niche cryptocurrencies or tokens that are only available on other wallets or specific blockchain networks. Uphold provides robust wallet functionality that's more than sufficient for most users' needs, offering a convenient and secure way to manage a diverse portfolio of digital assets. For those seeking even greater control or specific decentralized functionalities, external wallets remain a valuable option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.